Hey, this is Mike. Thank you. So today we're going to be doing a coconut milk stir fry. The stir fry is going to be served on brown rice. Brown rice compared to white rice is way healthier and way wholesome for everybody. The kids, they're not going to like it if you don't do it right. So when you do it, like I show you, it'll be very good. It'll be actually sweet and your kids are gonna like it. If you don't do it right, then it's gonna be hard and mushy and the kids are gonna say, I don't want to eat this anymore. So you gotta do it my way, all right? Coconut stir fry is gonna be very good. It's gonna be creamy. We're gonna use 2 cans of coconut milk and we're gonna use sweet potatoes, so it's gonna be sweet. You're gonna have that sweetness in the coconut stir fry and your kids are gonna go wild. Alright, this is a favorite in my family, and so let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you how to do it. Alright? Hey, stop that! Stop that! Tip of the day. Nutritional yeast is a very important part for the vegetarian because vitamin B, especially vitamin B12, is very hard to get for a vegetarian. So nutritional yeast is one of the highest source of vitamin B you can find out there. So I recommend you add nutritional yeast to your vegetarian diet every day. Okay, so this is going to be a quick one. The ingredients we need some onion, half an onion, rosette potato, a big potato, sweet potato, bell pepper, canned beans, black beans, some coconut milk, some broccoli, fresh broccoli, and some green beans that are already washed, that come in a bag like this. Usually you can buy them at Costco or something like that. Some brown rice, and that's it. We're going to start preparing the dinner. For the brown rice, you need a lot of water. So I have a family of 7. And I usually do about 2.5 cups to 3 cups. On that, and then you fill this probably twice the amount, or even 3/4 the amount of rice that you have in your pot. So it should look like this. And you put it on high and you bring it to boil. Once it boils, you put your lid on top, you put it at low, and you leave it for about 20 minutes. Okay, next we're adding the potatoes. The trick with this is that you don't want your potatoes to stick at the bottom, because usually potatoes stick at the bottom of the pan. You add your potatoes, but then you add your coconut milk straight after that, and you stir it. And at first I said only 1 can of coconut milk. With this big of a dinner, I usually add 2 cans of coconut milk. Makes it really creamy and nice. Now that you added the coconut milk, you can add all the other ingredients and let that cook. So you can add the beans, and you can add the beans, the green beans, and the broccoli. Okay, so once you added the green beans and the broccoli, well, for the green beans, I usually add about half the bag for a dinner, And then for the broccoli, a big handful, and just put it in there. And you let that cook for a while until the broccoli starts getting tender. And then we're gonna add the spices, and I'll show you what spice that we're gonna use. Okay, now this is cooked and ready to add the seasoning. So I usually start by putting some soy sauce. It's a big dinner, so you add quite a lot. Add some salt. And the ingredient that I add at the end is yeast. If you're not familiar, it's nutritional yeast. It's got good vitamins, especially for vegetarian. It's got good vitamin B complex, so be generous. Add that on top. And we're going to mix the whole together. Turn off your element, and it is ready to serve. Okay, so this is what the dinner looks like. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you enjoy it. It's a really good meal, full of vitamins and very creamy. Thank you very much.